Musamseleku took his kids out, all of them. He didn't tell their mothers where they are going. Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo, they don't know Musamseleku. He is going to introduce his daughter Metuli, Makwela's daughter, to his kids. So Musamseleku, when he was introducing, those kids, they look at Metuli like Metuli is like a stranger. Why? Because of their mothers. They talk about Makwela, what, Musamseleku, you've got a child. Those kids, they already know Metuli because they saw Metuli on socials, posting on socials. So they already know Metuli, but they look at that child like it's a stranger. Especially to Mpilo. You know that Musamseleku says Mpilo, here is your sister. Mpilo act like maybe that child, or she says she is not okay, what, maybe she is scared of Makumalo, what. You know that sometimes Mpilo, you have to know. If Mpilo knows her history, where when she came to be in Musamseleku's family, you know that Musamseleku and Mpilo's mother, they are not married. Musamseleku was cheating to Macele. Musamseleku go to have a child outside there. Mpilo. Musamseleku came with Mpilo in his family. Macele doesn't want Mpilo, but she end up accepting Mpilo. You understand? Why Mpilo, she is acting like that? Like, you know that Makumalo, when she is feeding that child, it's not okay, Makumalo. Why? The reason why Makumalo and Macele, they are always fighting? Because Makumalo accepts Mpilo. You understand? That's why Macele, she doesn't want it the way Musamseleku have a child out of their wedlock, Mpilo. But Mpilo, when she is looking at that child, Metuli, it's like a stranger. No, it's not good the way Mpilo is doing now. It's not good at all. So sometimes she have to know her history, because especially kids like Mpilo, Sneh is better because Sneh is the first child of Musamseleku. Mpilo, guys, is younger than Mpumelelo and Lwahle. Mpilo, and it means that Musamseleku have a child out of their wedlock and bring that child to Makumalo. That's why you saw Macele and Makumalo are always fighting. Makumalo and code, you know that Makumalo says to Mpilo, don't accept that child. Imagine, guys. Makumalo, she is saying those things. Makumalo forgot that why they are always fighting with Macele. Because Makumalo accepts Mpilo. You understand? Why Makumalo, she doesn't want to accept Mpilo, to accept her sister Metuli? It's not good the way Makumalo, she is doing. And Musamseleku says he can cancel even those things. You know that Mpilo wants to change his name to be called Mseleku Atwat. So Musamseleku wants to have a ceremony for Mpilo, but Mpilo, the way she is behaving, Musamseleku says he can cancel that ceremony. Yes, I support it. The way Makumalo, Mangwabe, the way they are feeding their kids, it's not good. The way they are influencing their kids, they are saying some of the things. Mangwabe came as Musamseleku's fourth wife. Macele accept Mangwabe's kids. You know that Mangwabe, every time Macele was the one who raised Mawande. Mawande, after school, she goes to Macele's house and spend time at Macele's house. You know that Mawande and Owami, they have got a bond. Those people, they are two sisters. Like, they are too close because they spend time together. Mangwabe, when she is not at work, Macele was the one who looked at Musamseleku's kids. Doesn't care that maybe those kids, they are Mangwabe's kids or Mayene's kids. Macele was taking care of them. But those people, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are feeding their kids. They are feeding their kids that not to accept Metuli. It's not good the way they are doing those people. It's not good. Sometimes if those kids, they look at that child like it's a stranger. We know that Musamseleku, what he done. He was done to have a child before to bring Makwela is not good. But the way they are feeding their kids with information, their mothers, is not good at all. Obanzi, Mayeni's daughter, was looking very interested on her sister Metuli because she saw Owami Macele's daughter was playing with Metuli. You know that when you saw other kids are playing with that child, they will end up accept her because it's very difficult to accept another child you don't know. But they will end up accept him, especially Mayeni's kids. Mayeni's kids, they don't have a problem. Mayeni is not that person who is very hard that maybe she can influence her kids like that, like Mangwabe and Makumalo, especially Munini and Mpumelelo. They will tolerate Musamseleku. Even Munini, guys, Munini tolerate Musamseleku more than he tolerate Mayeni. So there is no problem with Mayeni's kids because I saw Ovans, she was looking very interested. Ovans is not that child is a like she is very hard person. When it comes to Mayeni and her kids, Mayeni is not that person who can influence her kids that don't do this, don't go there to Makumalo's house, what. We saw even Munini. Munini was at Makumalo's house doing everything to Makumalo when they are staying at Muzumbe. Even Mayeni, when she heard that maybe Ovanzi, she is going to tell Mayeni that we saw a child, another child called Munini. We know that kids, they will tell their mothers. But what I saw to Musamseleku told his kids that don't tell your mothers that you saw another child. Musamseleku, he can do it. But when it comes to Mawande, he can tell, and Mawande and Impilo, they will tell their mothers, you understand it. But those Mayeni's kids, they will tell, especially Ovans, but Nini and Mpumelelo, they can keep quiet. But when it comes to Ovans, you know that a girl child is very honest to their mothers. Very, very honest. They will tell their mothers that we see a child. But Mayeni, I don't think that she is going to have more problem with the Musamseleku about that issue. Mayeni is not that person like that, like he other wives Mangwabe and Makumalo. Especially Mangwabe. Mangwabe, guys, you've got a problem. That woman, she is very selfish sometimes. So Mawande says, I can tell my mother why Musamseleku is telling Gogo Flo why I can't tell my mother. You understand it? So those things, guys, Mangwabe influence your daughter bad. She is a bad influence when it comes to your kids, Mangwabe, because the way she is telling your kids about another child. You know that Mawande forgot that she was asking Mangwabe last time on Izingane Sestembu, Utando Nestembu and Kat, that why you don't want us to accept that daughter, but you are the wife number 4. You understand? But Mangwabe, the way she was influencing her daughter is like maybe that child is like nothing. You understand? It's like nothing. So it's not good sometimes. But Musamseleku, there is no choice. He have to do it. Sometimes people I saw in comment section, you say Musamseleku, what he did is wrong. What? Why? Why will you say it's wrong? Especially my Macele's kids accept Metuli, and Macele's kids are those kids who have got a right to choose, or they don't want to accept Metuli or not, because Macele is Musamseleku's first wife. You understand it? Macele, she have got power to choose that she doesn't to accept or what, but Macele accept Musamseleku's kids. Macele, guys, have got a good heart than other wives we saw, you know. So sometimes when we saw that why Musamseleku did those things, Musamseleku doesn't have a choice, guys. We don't want to lie. Especially those wives, they don't want Makwela. Musamseleku have to introduce Metuli to other siblings because he can die anytime, guys. Musamseleku, you know that life is very too short. Musamseleku didn't introduce that child, and they had by the rumors that Musamseleku have got another child outside there, and that child, those kids, they don't know their sibling. So it's better Musamseleku to introduce Metuli now. It's good. He did the right thing because their mothers, they don't want to. Musamseleku's guys, you know that Musamseleku's, those people are too close to Musamseleku. Are his kids. His kids are very close to Musamseleku more than their mothers.